Okay, let's proceed with practice problem number 3. A researcher wants to survey 10 households from a village of 100. Show how systematic sampling with an interval of 10 could be applied. Mm. We are done with this practice problem number 3. Let's go to practice problem number 4. A company has 200 employees and management wants to randomly select 20 for training. Illustrate how you would perform stratified sampling based on department. So we're given 200 employees in multiple departments, need 20. So required stratified sampling by department. So solution, get department sizes. Department A 80, B 60, C 40, D 20. Allocate proportionality. So, Department A 8, Department B 6, Department C 4, Department B D 2. Within each department, SRS to pick allocated numbers. So the final answer, proportional stratified sample, and then simple random sampling inside each department. Number 5. In a library of 5,000 books, describe how you would use a simple random sampling to select 100 books for quality check. So we're given 5,000 books. The sample is 100. And then required SRS method. So solution, label books from 0001 to 5,000. And then using our random number generator to draw 100 unique numbers. And then pull the matching books. And the final answer, SRS, simple random sampling, using RNG, random number generator, for 100 unique IDs from 1 to 5,000. Practice problem number 6. A high school has 4 grade levels, grade 7 to 10. Show how you can apply cluster sampling by randomly selecting 2 entire grade levels to represent the population. So we're given grades 7 to 4 to 10. We have 4 clusters. And then choose 2 clusters. So required cluster sampling procedure. So solution, treat each grade level as a cluster. And then randomly select 2 grades. For example, using random number generator from 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then survey all students in the selected grades. So the final answer, cluster sampling by randomly picking 2 grade levels and including all students in them. Practice problem number 7. A researcher wants to choose 30 respondents for an opinion poll from a list of 300 names. Illustrate the steps for simple random sampling. So we're given 300 names and then sample 30. So required steps for simple random sampling. So the solution, number 1, number the names from 001 to 300. And then number 2, use random number generator to select 30 unique numbers. Number 3, choose matching names. And then final answer, simple random sampling via random number generator. 30 unique identifications from 1 to 300. Practice problem number 8. From a population of 1,000 voters, explain how to conduct systematic sampling with a sampling interval of 20. So we're given capital letter N, 1,000. That's the population. And then small letter n, 50. That's our sample. And of course, to get k, divide the population by the interval. So we have 20. So required systematic sampling steps. Solution. Order voter list from 1 to 1,000. And then randomly start R from 1 to 20. And then select R, then R plus 20, R plus 40, until 50 names are chosen. So the final answer, systematic sampling with random start 1 to 20, then every 20th. Practice problem number 9. In a hospital with 4 departments, ER, surgery, pediatrics, radiology, illustrate how stratified sampling ensures each department is represented in a study. So we're given the 4 departments: ER, surgery, pediatrics, radiology, and then want representation. So required stratified method. So determine counts per department and then allocate sample per stratum, proportional or equal. And then do SRS within each department to fill the allocation. So the final answer, stratified sampling with SRS within each department to ensure representation. Practice problem number 10. A teacher wants to select 10 random quiz papers out of 100. Show how you would use slips of paper in a bowl to do this. So we're given 100 quiz papers. Select 10 randomly. So required the physical SRS method, simple random sampling method. So, solution, write identifications 1 to 100 on slips. Mix in a bowl. Blindly draw 10 slips with no replacement. And then select matching papers. So final answer, simple random sampling SRS using lottery method. Draw 10 slips from 100. Practice problem number 11. Explain how you could apply simple random sampling to select 15 athletes from a sports team of 150 players. So we are given the team size 150 and then the sample 15. So required SRS. So solution, number the athletes from 1 to 150. And then using random number generator, picks 15 unique numbers. And then select the corresponding athletes. So the final answer, simple random sampling via random number generator. So we have 15 unique identifications from 1 to 150. Practice problem number 12. A class of 60 students, 30 boys and 30 girls. Illustrate stratified sampling to select 5 boys and 5 girls for a study. So we're given class of 60, 30 boys, 30 girls, and we need 10 samples, 5 plus 5. Required stratified sampling. So solution, create 2 strata, the boys 30, girls 30. Within each stratum, SRS 5 names using RNG. And then the final answer is stratified sampling with equal allocation. SRS within boys and within girls. Practice problem number 13. In a supermarket with 10 aisles, explain how cluster sampling could be used to select items for a quality inspection. So we're given 10 aisles. So need items for inspection. So required cluster sampling approach. So solution, treat each aisle as a cluster and then randomly select certain aisles. So choose 3 aisles. Inspect all for a random subset items within selected aisles. The cluster sample. Final answer, cluster sampling by randomly choosing aisles, then sampling within those aisles. Number 14. From a factory producing 10,000 bottles per day, illustrate how you would select a random sample of 100 bottles. So we're given production 10,000 per day, sample 100, required practical random selection. So solution, two viable options, time-based SRS or ID-based SRS. So time-based SRS, randomly select 100 production timestamps, test the bottles at these times, and then ID-based SRS, label 1 to 10,000, or use conveyor position. And then RNG 100 unique positions, pull these bottles. And so we will have the next part of our lesson.